Hey there, and welcome to our homeschooling journey. Today I'll be reviewing The Good and the Beautiful's Kindergarten Prep Language Arts. We first used this curriculum with our son when he was 4 years old and a late talker as part of his pre-kindergarten year. I do want to begin by saying we are not affiliated with The Good and the Beautiful in any way. I want to offer you my honest opinion to help you decide if it's worth investing in. Let's start with an overview of the curriculum. The Good and the Beautiful designed this curriculum for children who are ready for a step between preschool and kindergarten, typically around 4 to 5 years old. It focuses on foundational language art skills such as letters and sounds, uppercase and lowercase recognition, fine motor skills, rhyming, and beginning phonics. It's open and go and comes with a colorful kindergarten prep course book and costs around $20 and can be purchased online through their website. One of the strengths of this curriculum is how structured yet gentle it is for young learners. I love how the short lessons keep my little one engaged without making him feel too overwhelmed. Another strength is the use of beautiful illustrations and hands-on activities. This has been really helpful for keeping my little one interested and excited to learn each day. I also appreciate the spiral review and built-in repetition. This has made homeschooling feel smooth and low stress while still being effective. There are a few weaknesses to this curriculum. One of the weaknesses is that it may not challenge children who are already reading or very advanced with letters and sounds. I found that some of the lessons felt too easy or repetitive for a child with prior exposure to phonics. Another weakness is that it can be worksheet heavy. This was challenging because my child prefers more active, hands-on learning at times. Lastly, it's only about 30 lessons. This was a problem because we went through it very quickly and needed a supplement with other resources. Overall, I believe this curriculum is a beautiful, solid introduction to kindergarten level language art skills. I think it's a great choice for families with preschoolers who are ready to move beyond just basic letter recognition and want a Christ-centered open and go program. However, if your child is already reading or needs a secular program, then this may not be a good choice for them. Thank you for watching my review of The Good and the Beautiful's Kindergarten Prep Language Arts course set. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you've used this curriculum before, I'd love to hear your thoughts as well. See you next time.